Most people assume starting a company in Bermuda is only for massive corporations or ultra-wealthy investors. That is not true. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking the process is informal or quick without structure. Here's the truth no one tells you. Bermuda is highly regulated. But if you follow the right steps, the setup process is very organized and straightforward. Quick, promise. In this video, you will learn exactly how to start a company in Bermuda in 2026, what structure to choose, the step-by-step registration process, and the key requirements most beginners overlook. Let's start with the basics. In Bermuda, the most common structure is an exempted company. This is designed for international businesses that operate mainly outside Bermuda. For example, if someone like Alex from the UK wants to run a global consulting or tech business, this structure is often the standard choice. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Bermuda does not operate like typical offshore paper company jurisdictions. You must meet compliance and licensing rules depending on your business activity. So clarity from the beginning is essential. Step 1 is choosing your company name. It must be approved by the Bermuda Registrar of Companies. Names that are too similar to existing entities will be rejected. Your local service provider usually handles this search before submission. Step 2 is appointing a registered agent. This is mandatory. You cannot register a company directly on your own. The registered agent in Bermuda handles incorporation filings, compliance documentation, and government communication. Step 3 is preparing your documents. You will need identification for all directors and shareholders, proof of address, and a clear description of your business activity. For instance, if Jake from Canada is building a digital services company, he must clearly define what services he provides. Now here's the problem many people face. They underestimate compliance requirements. Bermuda is strict about anti-money laundering regulations. So transparency is not optional. Step 4 is drafting incorporation documents. This includes the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. These define ownership, structure, and company rules. Your registered agent typically prepares these for you. Step 5 is submitting everything to the Bermuda Registrar of Companies. Once approved, your company becomes legally incorporated and receives its registration certificate. In a minute, here's what most beginners miss. Incorporation is only half the process. Banking and compliance onboarding take longer than the company formation itself. Banks will request detailed business plans, source of funds, and identity verification before approving an account. Step 6 is opening a corporate bank account. This can be done in Bermuda or internationally, but approval depends heavily on your business profile. Strong documentation increases approval chances significantly. Once your company is active, you must also maintain annual filings and fees. Bermuda companies are not set and forget. Ongoing compliance is part of the structure. To summarize, starting a company in Bermuda involves choosing an exempted structure, hiring a registered agent, preparing documents, submitting to the registrar, and completing banking setup. The process is structured, but compliance quality determines how smooth your approval will be. If you found this useful, like the video, comment where you are watching from, and subscribe for more clear and practical business setup guides.